Please be advised that the contents of this video can be very disturbing to some. This video contains scary content. It is a work of fiction. It is not real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. At 3 p.m. today, software engineers were called to investigate strange code in the popular multiplayer game War Thunder. It has been deduced that the code found was a catalyst for a Trojan virus which was injected into the game's root files and disguised as normal code. If you have this game, delete it immediately, and perform a factory reset of your computer. The code found has been found to probe personal information from users. Stay tuned for updates as this situation develops. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. This is an emergency message. Around 90% of War Thunder players around the world have reported that they received messages displaying personal information including addresses. This is now a matter of national security. If you receive this message, please call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is now seen as a coordinated attack against the world. The identity of the attacker is unknown. Whoever it is, he is very dangerous and has on multiple occasions made good on his promises, and multiple murders have been reported. At this time, shut off your Wi-Fi and